Okay. Do you all believe that a fish can actually reduce your medical bill and also reduce the price and effort required to produce a drug? And that fish is Zebrafish. And before I introduce this little fish to you, let us first imagine all of us sitting here are scientists, and we just discovered a way to cure Alzheimer's disease. But, however, each and every one of you have one possible drug candidate in our minds that may help us to tackle the disease. Then how do I know whether which one of you is the best to cure the disease? We don't know. That's why we need a screening process. And for the traditional lab screening process, we use mice. And in order to test all the possible drugs we have, we need a lot of mice. But it is different for Zebrafish, because Zebrafish produce up to 10,000 eggs per year, which we can collect them and screen it. We have a large number of experimental subjects for that one. And more importantly, 70% of our human gene can be found on the fish, so that scientists can easily turn to fish and induce the human disease on the fish and turn this fish into a disease model. And the most important thing is that each fish embryo turns into a little larva fish. It's so small that it can fit into each well of this 96 well plate, so that it allowed us to screen for 96 different drugs at one time, which is much faster than mice. However, if someone tells you that a fish can have a human disease, and if someone tells you that there is a drug working on a fish can also work on you, will you believe that? Absolutely not. That's why scientists move forward trying to genetically modify the fish. By what? By using fluorescent marker, just like this one, with different colors. We use this fluorescent marker to label particular tissue or protein associated with the disease, so that scientists can able to see the internal organs of the fish, just like this picture. And by that, we can know how the drug assists in the repairing of the damaged tissue inside this fish, which would never be accomplished inside with a rat, because rats don't have a transparent skin. And no matter it is a small little drug like that, or it is a small little fish, it might not seem much according to its size. But you could never imagine how much money and effort is dedicated to invent such things. And you can't imagine how a small little fish can actually speed up the drug discovery and screening process, which saves billions of lives. And I think that is how science works, to turn something ordinary into something quite extraordinary. And that is my presentation. And for one more thing, if you want to purchase this Zebrafish, you can actually go to Mong Kok. There is a fish market, and this fish just costs you $20 for a dozen of them. Thank you.